Hey kids, how about a little project? This one's going to be really little, but it's going to be the greatest but pro tip. Yeah. Did he just say pro tip? The greatest Jeep pro tip. All right. So, door panels are off, right? Door panels are off. Why? Well, because we went ahead and we put new door handles on. Why did we put new door handles on? Well, because we got the Jeep painted and the old door handles were kind of beat up. That's not the pro tip. The pro tip is once we get to the point where we're putting in the window crank. Now, I'm quite confident that most of you out there have window cranks that when you're driving down the road, this knob is right on your knee. It's right on your knee, isn't it? It's right on your knee. Especially if you're bouncing through the woods or down a bumpy road. You know, red clay, red dirt, brown dirt, whatever color dirt road you're driving down and you hit some bumps, that knob is right on your knee. What about sand? Yes, sand too. All right. Well, we're putting the door back together. And if you do this, when the window's rolled all the way down, if you put your knob so that it's pointing right at the handlebar, right? When you roll it up, it'll be pointing up and out of the way, and it will not be anywhere near your knee. And when you roll it down, it's going to be pointing back again, nowhere near your knee. So, that's the hack. No, that's not the hack. The hack is putting the crank back on because you have to get this guy in there. Otherwise, you're going to drop that clip 72 times trying to get it in there. And you got to go looking for it. You heard it. Ting, 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 ting. There's... Nobody tells you this. This is the hack. If you take your pen, you go ahead and install it in the groove that it goes in on the window crank, right? Right where it's supposed to live. You put it on with your spacer. Get it on there. It'll snap right in and you're done. Dun, dun, dun. Love ya. Like and subscribe. Pretty good hack, huh? Told you, we told you. I'll be damned. That is a good one.